Wonderful, memoir, quava, Eroba daily update TV so. And then I will share you medina no subscribe. I'm YouTube channel no. Subscribe you are not like or share now or commenting so I should you medina say. Said that I am more yen on a beji brain and so ya king. I'm a tea for national food, you know what adventure. Yen recently the air course of Parliament House. Nina and say, After Marcus, the expert motion be called a Supreme Court equal to Mami Chief Justice Tokonu Naso. Na enona Kelvin tell me who say expert motion na After Marcus the coin a claim say Speaker I declared 3 seats vacant in what the House it on one TSC said Speaker declared such a seat vacant. And no benam so among by a minority. And I can tell like I say, even expert application of a Afenyo markings no. A wrong, a mistake, a wrong file, and as a wrong documented motion. And he saying, Speaker declare 4 seats. Also say 3. I just say entirely 2. Speaker as man and lawyers call a Supreme Court kokachom say omu ni any right bia say sa right no more no and as a power no more no enye power betimi de either the avoid power the speaker and as the Parliament House enti no hwe mukura na speaker and as chief justice tokonu kura watu Ghana mra according to Kevin Watu Ghana because we are over exercising the power and as we enter to different jurisdiction any kwanse where or enter. Ebusuya eti Kevin tell that part say ye maami chief justice kun wa ye amana broso. Abranka woni kwan bi as obey interfere into what parliament business. Because sa Akroma to me as Amra Krona to me at the amount. Samra Krona so the to me among no speaker or no speak me declare sitting vacant. And there was go take Kevin Taylor. Nina in summary say Speaker Emmanuel lawyers a court a casati a go for Casafas as I'm Zomuninto. Na speak a justice Tokonu. Was sizing it to me no amana broso and no crown so etia Ghana bra. I wish you go take Kevin till I daily update TV so.
Female Supreme Court judge, and that female Supreme Court judge maybe send about 7 questions. Me man about 72 hours to respond. So I respond the questions now, maximum a week. So I respond the question now. I'll follow it up with videos. I'll follow it up with text messages, conversations. I'll follow it up with car numbers. Sir judge, no, dear, oh yeah. I am setting the grounds for this. Because and the yehunya maybe se papa anya shia, boni a friend boni anya shida. I'll bring you the questions. I'll let you know oh yeah, female Supreme Court judge. Because me sure say Ghana Supreme Court, no. Your judge for me, you are all supposed to pay attention to this because Mumubako and a question we equamano. All right. Now, you see, and they call court. So I'm for your tin sembebre say, and there a year after your marking MPP for court, no, Asana Kopia Supreme Court, Emma. Sebio or Kunya or the ex-party application because Supreme Court say a Speaker of Parliament Alban Bagbin why then why a debut of Parliament where ye MPP phobia almost moko independent no where you omoto community NPP minority leader a year after your marking echo a year Supreme Court I will catch the Chief Justice say Chief Justice Juma dia omudino a year Parliament no Chief Justice Entuni 9 sim if you say Chief Justice the betuma abuano. After your marking court no. Chief Justice onim eye Parliament almost jumadi omudia sebio omudi omohono otuni 9 ena odi sim say eye decision bia eye Speaker of Parliament Alban Bagbin etekino eye Supreme Court Chief Justice Tokonu edi enimu no ono wetuni 9 sim judgment and our ruling or ma parliament say NDC for and from time or ma sa judgment no my majority no or no chief justice any sebio judge for mo no omutu omu na esim asamono ene Alban Bagbin so be 2 days ago or no so krata Supreme Court for the brain no catch and say decision any would you within the parliament no even though no mo independent body mo aso mo shemra make sure say Ghana na ye chichire no bibia koye no omo akwanya say omo betu omo na esim iti Alban Bagbin also received this suit from the court, the Supreme Court, and our directing the lawyers say omo ko Supreme Court ko kan kire chief justice say jumade na odi no Supreme Court no sa to me na ekuta no ono Alban Bagbin the parliament so the same to me, the same as the executive inti ne one say asema AC parliament no asema parliament eka omankasa betuma tena se aka parliament wo ono ankasa ne mra obetube diso ahyehye mra no se parliament kura asem si wo na se sebio omo nti omo ho ase a omo bibia ye frɛ no rules and regulations standing orders a omo betumi di asolve asem no o say chief justice etume tu ne nan esi omo asem no ohun se chief justice watra nenin ton sebio ni tumi no Oma ni tumi no atra na no sebio oma ni tumi no atra nechi sebio oba na tebe mudodo. In fact emrana chief justice ejina so edi akase onja ni dwumadi a odi no parliament no mra bia etia Ghana mra kase constitution no. Yes. Okay, thank you very much. I will use that. The 5 Supreme Court judges, no, I am ban. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. I'll mention their names now. Enti Assembly Sakopie Court, Alban Bagbin, Esman, the lawyers, Momo responded to a Supreme Court, a court Chief Justice war. Now, and the Assembly P Court, TV so. Be assured from watching kono, let me land the phone be baba. Abetu to brofo akese jargons so amefo ntina me yewe nkamenye so amefo ntina me yewe now afenyo marking echo Supreme Court ko kan asem kire osono maame Madam Tokonu a ogiremu ma MPP o Supreme Court no okono asem a ode call eho ni nyina ne say den let me put this picture up na yenko yenim. This is the Chief Justice and ono ena Ghana Supreme Court no odi enim afenyo marking ede na asem eko Supreme Court no okoka kire Chief Justice say nipa miensa bia omo parliament ena Alban Bagbin atwe omoto ase akonwa say omo ko independent dia akonwa na ewo ho no sebio omo ja akonwa na to eni say omo from say omo ye MPP MPs na emom omo ye independent. Now, afenyo make koye no inkura na nko so kobo Chief Justice no they see your parliament and say nipa 9 MPP form yensa and NDC ni baako na so afenyo make eko Supreme Court no or the nipa miensa din ne koye say sa nipa miensa we nko na Chief Speaker of Parliament ehwe hubua asem of Parliament na so ukọ Parliament nkrata mu a Parliament nkrata mu no sa dana Alban Bagbin ebu asem na nipa 9 enho asem e na ogina so ebu a na asem na so afenyo makin eko Supreme Court na okoka na asem a kire osono maame the Chief Justice no okoka kire ne say nipa miensa it means say in the first place the ex parte application na afenyo makin ediko Supreme Court no that application no everything in it was a lie. Because don't say court oko quarter in some na yede ko yenyi bi mfrim ene enfe bi nka ho afenyo marking eko court no o decide say inkuro ananyoma eko so parliament ema Alban Bagbin gina so ka say 4 MPs yeyi omoto akonwa efiso omoko independent no ono every parliament ede na asem akọ court ede akọ osono maame ho no o say nipa miensa enho asem na Alban Bagbin gina so edi bu asa asem no court so anase imrashe Supreme Court Madam Tokonu Osunu Maame da ano no eye facts and ye digina so edibu asem. Now the ekosi nyina ne say asem na kopie court. Na ende the epie court nyina ne say Alban Bagbe show letter come Supreme Court Chief Justice say uni ho kwan. In fact, muni ho kwan krampo said the course of Parliament no mubetu munan esim. Inti enho and the Chief Justice Eya Osunu Maame Madam Tokonu ene the battalions miensa maka no etina ase say omu bebua sa asem no ansana asem ankasa afenyo ma akende baaye say Chief Speaker of Parliament say eye omu ye minority anase we yi MPs miensa to akonwa no yakoso into the end course no nyina ne ye interlocutory issues fa asem no ho e de say we twa material enwa homa no enende Osunu Maame Madam Tokonu ene the battalions no etena ase edi hu enkomo enti adekudi enti omotena ase ndan se na omopese omotie Alban Bagbe se bi oni response of the bro se omuni hu tumi krampo se omobetena asem no so na omotena asem no so no Osunu Maame Madam Tokonu ene the Supreme Court judges omaka ba ko MPP foot soldier a friend gawu anase de yen mebodi din Nansia Nekufuado the Supreme Court judge. No obi anim so former MPP parliamentary candidate. Ghana. Ghana ni mako. Mo Supreme Court judge former parliamentary candidate. Emma political party in power. Edi ekrofon so no. Now, yonko enim. Inti lawyer Ojina Muma Speaker of Parliament. Theodore sorry. One Attorney General onu so gire mu ma Ghana and ende omu nyina ekopie the Supreme Court. Now ye kika asem ni nyina besie no na as a Chief Justice person o kire say owo hu to me Supreme Court no wo hu to me say omu ye de omu pe omu frɛ Alban Bagbe the decision bia o taking wo Parliament bia no omu wo hu to me in fact constitution ma omu ho kwan say omu betu omu ndan sim na omu akire de o say Parliament enintina omu pese omu koso no omu kodi asem na nkasa nti ende no jade kodi enti omu tena ase say Alban Bagbe ni mu aye o de bro omu say omu ni ho kwan say omu bedi asem no omu say omu abo atogu omu ho kwan na ensem no se ne ebobo baaye no moma yenya abotire na yentie sene yekoye sene be asoamefo enso beti asie pefe ansana please let me land. I know you are my elder brother. We all went to law school together. You have been a friend for a long time. We know your party affiliation. Ansana sankwasi afo na ba ochina inti ye local ejudwom basic na ya momo hu de si wo Supreme Court nde na ya kire mo sene Osunu Maame Madam Tokonu ejina pintin kan no totwom ye na adwun so obeye adwuma amekufuado na sebio abomu thank you ekufuado ye Chief Justice no ode be man back. Now so uko de si wo court na time my Chief Justice kasa no so utie Chief Justice here Ushe enkrata afenyoma ken ede call Supreme Court ene ne starting free ye de yen call law school but your common sense ene na we Ghana ni na wo hweme a you don't have to forget on call law school en kire se nyansa unibi ena sebio ye kan asema se court o se out of court o se ye mra o se nyamra o at the end of the day everything dwells on common sense until you don't have to be a PhD holder. You don't have to be a lawyer. You don't have to be in law school to understand fundamental or basic reasoning and logical reasoning issues. And you don't have to struggle to use your common sense. And anything I make a say on this platform, what we try to do is say we bring everything down to the basic reasoning level. We are Ghana nina utia because asem we die emunyansa no ene dien adentina simesi we ye say anything every time we bring the conversation to your level into brofo mo kekan bebrebe o court nde no me ena mabetena ha ne me team ena ye de ba fo ma wate ase because na ye Ghana ni a wokoto aba wo taxes ene ye di tuan konfo mo te court ne ka into I was said ye course o court no so no at the end of the day no oya den wote ase. Okay, now there's one thing you need to understand. Say, I'll be in a court and I'll be in a parliament. Eka constitution. 1992 constitution. I was so bibi, and there's one thing I Ghana for Mure Yefi. Ghana constitution, a mason for a hairdressers, a welders, a ma omoton adwini wodwom, omoton apofe, a tailor for a students, a teacher for a different kinds of artisans, a Ghana for ordinary Ghana for a G or madwini, a chichre, a true constitutional. Until nobody in this country should see the constitution say you're too free na buy 1992 or before 1992 no nipa bi ene to omugu Ghana impenifo mo Ghana ene omje Ghana for adwenkyere efa nyoma ana sene omo pese ye kyekere Ghana inti sa wotie the constitution ana sa wotie the constitution of Ghana enye broni bi na de baaye eye wo nana ana wo maame ana wo papa bi a ebi a wetwam ana wawu ana yempenifo bi ana mo ho ana eni ho ana mo amoda ho tie ase ya dwenkyere a ye gege ye kekesi ani na de building bi friend the constitution. It is our constitution no enye some book bi e bi nsi da eye me ne wo adwene kyere and your friend the constitution. Adwene kyere a ebeboa me ne wo e de aboye ho ban abo oman ho ban and na ye nyina e de atokrata so your friend the 1992 constitution. And to do not think say eye osono maame madam tokonu or some exceptional being bi a constitutional or no kwa na wo ho kwan say o kyerɛ mu tie mema wa adwene nya wo say politician bi ti radio so na TV or no enkwana nyankopon ama no ho kwan say eye 1992 constitutional tailor for mason for hairdressers eye doctors teachers obi a oye Ghana de bia e de na dwenkyere ba ye kyekere no omo nkwan na wo ho kwan ye nyina wo ho kwan say constitution no ye be kan na ya te ase na ya mana boy nyina ho ban. So do not see yourself say constitution de asuo na nipa bi nkwan na wo eye entitled to break down or explain the constitution and no and a majority of you Ghanaians de deceive mo abedru there. Nobody is entitled to explain or interpret the constitution than the Ghanaian. Some people have been given the mandate that officially, when there's an issue, they can sit and make it official. But we all as Ghanaians, unofficial or official, we have the right to read the constitution and interpret it. And the basic thing is that we need to be reasonable. We need to reason. Our reasoning level should be to the point where we can read the constitution and understand the constitution. So if somebody is misapplying the constitution, you and I, I will see a transika dabi. Constitution we nurse ni na chiro constitution we tailor ni hairdresser inti ya ma wo nkwa mbe wa adwene se wo na wo te ase. So we should all understand this. Over a period of time nipa bi create ade bi ato Ghana say yo nipa ko bi a omo nkwa na read the constitution. That's not how it's supposed to be. Yo nipa ko bi a omo nkwa na entitled to speak on the constitution. That is not how it's supposed to be. The constitution should be a basic
Interior Kelvin Taylor and Savannah Orkano, Nina Ifa speaker. Because any name says Speaker of Parliament. And for so be any doyen home. 2. Ushemuya application na afanyo de koye. And yes, a speaker I interpret law biao. Onya declare sitting vacant per the CI. As a per the Constitution 1992 Constitution. And we china so and they were declare sitting vacant on interpreted law bia. It's a federal market expert emotion or cofaleno. And no dear speaker and then a legal team no or marriage team. Our mopa say or mo legal team now or mo court or ma sorry etia a speaker. Speaker legal team now sorry etia a Chief Justice the ruling now the buyer because we remember Chief Justice why amana broso because sa to mikrona embrane de maono sa to mikrona na embrano de ama speaker and do a check and balance is no rule of law e be chere say to me no ha na wo call this aha na wo kosi Edu here Chief Justice our quatra. Entina Kevin say Emra Krono Krawide were breaching the constitution of the law. Were breaching the constitution of the law. I delay up the TV so then I'll share na also swabe na wash na do commenting so as a comment section ebe kan ya metifo ena hwefo nyina wa jinche